Nice and refreshing.
That's really good.
Good for the cottage.
It's light, not too sweet.
No, because sometimes I find that I don't even want to enjoy like a full beer. So to cut it with something like lemonade, I wouldn't think of that, but this is good.
So we could split one,
Yeah.
you would share with me and you wouldn't smack my hand away, right?
I did that the other day. I got in trouble. All right, well, we have Niki back from Grüvi.
Second summer in a row.
Second summer in a
Yes,
row.
welcome back.
I believe this is the summer of mocktails.
Let's hope so.
Let's remind all of our customers, Grüvi, you started a few years ago, several years now.
We just hit our 7th year in business.
Congratulations.
Oh, wow.
Started with my sister and I in Toronto, and all we do is non-alc. So we do some awesome non-alc beers, wines, and today we'll be doing some mocktails. We became the first company in Canada to start rolling out draft non-alcoholic beer. So
Oh, wow.
in Toronto, 5 bars we're gonna start with. So you can get a cold pint, whether it's alcoholic or not.
Wow.
So that's exciting to hear because that means obviously the restaurants are getting the demand for that. Started with the beer. That was the introduction, was the beer products. I know you've got some recognition, particularly on your golden era. This has performed really, really well.
The Golden Era was awarded world's best non-alc beer for a few
World's
years in a row. And I know last time we were here,
Yes.
we did that fun blind taste test against real alcoholic beers.
Totally. No one got it.
I don't think anyone got it.
I think number 3 is non-alcoholic. That's my guess.
This is my guess.
This one has no alcohol.
Yeah.
I believe the non-alcoholic beer is 5.
And it was the first time I've ever done anything like that.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I was like,
Definitely a trend towards people consuming less alcoholic beverages, but we're still looking for fun. We're looking for excitement. We still want a cool drink in our hand.
it's about like treating yourself, right? Like, hey, you've worked hard, you're filming all this content each day.
Yeah, we're busy.
And I gotta come home and I want something exciting.
Yeah.
For the summer, we're gonna do kind of your traditional Radler or Shandy.
So it's just a different way of using the beer.
So we have some sparkling lemonade here.
I thought you guys would appreciate
I
Brio.
appreciate the Brio.
I like a lot of beer flavor, so I'm probably doing maybe like 20 or 30% lemonade. And then we'll top it off with our golden lager. And yeah, we got these new Grüvi glasses.
Awesome summer drink.
Looks great.
It looks, I know. See, this is the thing. Like non-alcoholic, cheers. It doesn't have to like appear or seem less than. It's the same experience, right? That's really refreshing.
Really good.
Okay, so look for these in Toronto restaurants.
Yep. Let's do a sangria.
Really an up and coming item that we're starting to see a lot of customers gravitate towards.
Super simple here. Put it on ice, garnish it, really easy. Lazy person's mocktail. Sangria is awesome. It starts with real wine. We take the alcohol out. And that's what's unique with the Grüvi products is they're not just flavored mocktails or flavored beers. They start with all the same ingredients. So even as you taste through this, you'll notice, hey, there's tannins in it, right? Versus like just natural flavors. What's nice is it's not overly sweet.
What's the sugar on something like this? It's not
it's-
too much, only 12 grams of sugar.
Yeah.
Cheers.
This is delicious.
Another awesome summer drink. We're gonna do a frozen peach Bellini. So we got some fresh peaches, some ice, which we'll put in the blender, a third peach puree, 2/3 are non-alc Prosecco.
Delicious. Those
Yeah.
fresh peaches really make it. I think it's perfect.
I think it's perfect too. Okay, so this is good.
Those are 3 easy mocktails. There should be something for everyone. If you're a red wine person, a beer person, a sparkling wine, we got it for you.
Amazing. Well done. Keep doing what you're doing, man. You're doing really important work. Products are really good. Customers are liking them.
I appreciate it.
Good work. Good
Thank
work.
you so much.
Yeah.